Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. They just provide the information in here. Now we need to find about this one. So now I want to show you. The first thing, capital F of number 5 equals to number 12. We know that we have this one in here. So if we put number 5 cone here, that means this one we have the integration from number 9 to number 5. And this one equals to number 12. Now, if I put f of number 9, so we put number 9 cone here. That means we have number 9 cone here. We know that the integration of the same bounds, you will have number 0. Now, we need to consider about this one. So for this one, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to t. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to dt. dv, that is about f of t dt. So the integration of this one, we have the formula in here. So the integration of ft dt, we have capital F of s. So I will put about I, that is about this integration. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have t multiplied by f of s. And now I will put the bounds from number 9 to number 5. But in this situation, we can change s, go back to t. So they have the same in here. Minus, we have du multiplied by v. Now we put number 5 gone here, number 9 gone here. We know that capital F of number 5, that is about 12. This one, that is about number 0. This one, that is about 26. So we calculate this one, and we have 34. This is the end. Thank you for watching.